Hello friends. Welcome back to our channel. I am your React.js instructor and my name is Kumaresh. Thank you for connecting with us. Hope you are doing well. Let's start our today's session. Throughout this React Router DOM tutorial, we are going to learn about the overview, features, and installation steps of the product. React Router DOM enables us to implement dynamic routing in a web app. Unlike the traditional routing architecture in which the routing is handled in a configuration outside of a running app, React Router DOM facilitates component-based routing according to the needs of the app and platform. React Router DOM is the most appropriate choice if we are writing a React application that will run in the browser. The primary features of React Router DOM are ability to create multi-page navigation within React.js single-page application, perform client-side rendering instead of server-side rendering, lightning-fast processing. As a part of prerequisite steps, we need to install the module using the command npm install React Router DOM. The entire explanation will be done through a live example of an existing project. If you want to learn how to create React project, please follow our first video of React tutorial. Let's start with the demonstration. We will show how to use the React Router DOM package for client-side rendering of web pages with this existing project. Here, the index.js component is the start point to render our React app. It will render the app component using the method react.dom.render. The app is our customized main component which will be used to route the different components. The app component is importing another page 1 component which is located in same directory. The page 1 component is rendered from this component. The page 1 component is defined with a header text as title of page 1 and a link with name move to next page which is not point any other pages. Similarly, we have created another component as page 2 which also is defined with a header text as title of page 2 and a link with name move to previously page. Presently, page 2 is not linked with the app component. Let's see the application in web browser. Here the header text and the link is displayed from the page 1 component. If we click on link, nothing will happen. Now, we will install the prerequisites package for React Router DOM. First, stop the existing server by pressing Ctrl and C keys from the keyboard. Now, we can install the package using the command npm install React Router DOM at 5. Here, 5 represents the version of the package. As the latest version 6 is a beta version, so we are using last stable version, which is 5. Installation will take few seconds to complete. We can also verify about the installation status from the package.json file. One entry for React Router DOM is added under dependencies which contains the version. Installation is done now. Let's start the React server again. Now, we will modify app component to make it as primary routing component which will routes different component based on path. First, import the browser router and route components from the package React Router DOM from the app. Remove the unwanted parts from here. Import the page 2 component which is also kept in pages directory. Replace the div tag from return section with the component browser router. Remove the page 1 component and start the component root. Provide the exact path property value as the root path of the application, which is a backward slice. Also, need to provide the component as page 1 within curly braces and end the tag. Similarly, we will create another roots by copy and pasting this one. Another 2 roots will be created for the location paths /page1 and /page2. Save and check the web page. The page 1 component is displayed correctly. Also, same is displayed while manually changing the path to /page1. Change the location as /page2, the correct component is not appears. Let's recheck the app component. Here, we made the mistake that page 2 component is not assigned. Let's correct it. This time, the page 2 component is displayed correctly while selecting the location path /page2. Now, we will modify the links to navigate pages. First, go to the page 1 component and import link from React Router DOM package. Replace tag A with the link. Replace ref property with to and assign as the location path /page2 within curly braces. On clicking on this link, we can navigate to the page 2. Similarly is also required for page 2 component. Here, we will assign the location as /page1 as we need to navigate to previous page by clicking on this link. Changes are now completed. We can save the project and cross-check the web application. By clicking on Move to Next Page link, we can reach the page 2. Also, the URL path has changed accordingly. Similarly, we can reach to page 1 from the page 2. The navigation is performing very fast as the complete rendering done in client side. Thanks for watching this video. That's all about practical usage of package React Router DOM. We will learn more about React.js in upcoming videos.
Please visit our website lambdageeks.com for more articles on technology, engineering, mathematics, and various other domains. You can check our other website as well. We have features like YouTube Trends, Twitter Trends, Scientific Calculator, and many more other tools. If you like our video, please like, comment and share. If you have any questions, please comment and we will resolve your query.